Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a makeup routine. I wouldn't say it's a tutorial because I don't really know how to do makeup. I'm not doing every step, but I'm just showing you my routine that I do for my hyperpigmentation and my dark spots. I'm trying to show y'all a quick and easy way to hide your just hide the darkness around, if you have darkness around your mouth or under your eyes or around your eyes. This routine is easy to do, and it's going to cover your stuff flawlessly. And might I add, everything is from CVS or CVS, the drugstore. I like to use their products because they work really good. They kind of cost as much as the Sephora brand at Sephora, like $20. So I feel like it's decent, just for something that's good for your budget and it don't look cakey or feel heavy on your face. It's actually light, and I don't know, it really blends in your skin well. It's you know higher quality makeup, but it's not. Um, I'm not using Elf, but I'm using Maybelline and L'Oreal for the most part. Or sometimes it'll be Revlon, but basically any brand that has my shade. Because usually sometimes they don't have it, or I'll be at the drugstore, and I I was gonna say something, but basically I don't mind getting my stuff from there. One day I will do a higher quality video, but this is just something quick, something easy, you know, a natural look, nothing too over the top. But today I did do a little over the top with my eyes. Y'all will see that very shortly. But I ended up taking that bow out my hair too. I didn't really like that much. It didn't match. But I don't use foundation either. I do all concealer look. I like layer my concealer, so everything is like 24-hour coverage, full coverage, matte, or a dewy look. Um, Sometimes I put on powder, but most of the time I don't. I just set my face with setting spray. I don't use powder every time. I need to actually get me some. But as you can see, I'm definitely using some blue. I was trying to match with my hair a little bit, but obviously that's a little bit lighter than my hair, but it's still cute. I just want a little sparkle on my eyelid. Nothing too major. Just something to bring out my eyes and makeup a little bit. I kind of overdid it, but I'm working on it. I'm working on getting better with my eyeshadow and my eyebrows and stuff like that. I was just more focused on my lashes and my makeup isn't getting my right color, but slowly but steady we gonna get to that, and I'm gonna learn how to contour better, because I wanted to do my nose a little with more contouring, but like I said, we're gonna get to that bridge. We're gonna cross that bridge when we get to it. But so yeah, I'm just doing my eye, putting this stuff I got from CVS. I don't know I think it was. I don't know. Let me get to line. Some glitter, just some little loose glitter stuff I got. And I went ahead and did my brows off camera. Sorry about that bad lighting. I don't know what happened there, but that's why I sped it up. But yeah, this is almost my final look. Like, it's cute, it's simple. All I gotta do is put on my lip now, which I just line my lips with a black on black liner. I use that same liner for my brows too. I don't have time for the brown liners. It don't do nothing for me. It just blend right in with the makeup. And basically, I'm just putting on a nice hot pink lip. Um, I think it's LA Colors or something. It's so cute, so matte. But obviously, I do want something better. But we gonna get there when we get there. But for now, we just using what we got. And yeah, I was just showing you how cute it was. I like to clean it off a little bit on my hand. But I love that color. It's so natural. It's not like too much. Maybe I lined my lips a little bit too much, but trust me, it's gonna blend in. It's gonna look so perfect. And you gotta go in with your blush. You cannot forget blush. I know some people don't like to wear it, but actually a little bit goes a long way. You don't really need too much. I know it looks like I just put a lot on there, but it's really like hard to come off. It's like it's not like butter. It's not creamy. You know, it's kind of cheap. So, but yeah, I just blow off whatever excess on there anyway, and just put on a little bit of blush on my cheeks. You can't even really tell it's on there, but trust me, when that sunlight hit it or whatever, you're gonna be like, oh, okay. I see the little pink cheeks going. I'm sorry, it's nighttime and I am about to lay down, but yes, and you definitely gotta put your setting spray on there because if you don't, your makeup is gonna be all over your shirt, all over your hands, all over everything you touch. But I'm not gonna get this spray again because it makes my face itch a little bit more than I want it to, like a stinging. But it's still L'Oreal Infallible. That thing like $20. Boy, I don't know what they put in that stuff, but it kind of make my face itch. And yeah, set your face and voila, like that's a cute little 3-layer concealer look. If you like this look, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think. And until my next video, I will see y'all later. Bye.